My research looks at factors involved in treatment-resistant depression, how things like stress change the brain, and how that can change the way the brain responds to treatments.
So I'm interested in sensory neuroscience. So what I do is look at the activity that's happening in the brain of this fish and work out how it understands sound.
So my research group investigates mechanisms that the brain uses to restore itself after stroke.
I work with Professor Gertz and the ultrasound team to translate fundamental Alzheimer's research to the clinic.
I'm interested in understanding how different parts of the brain coordinate their activity to allow us to pay attention to the world around us.
So I decided to pursue a career in science because I was interested in finding out new things and finding out how things work, including the brain.
Ultimately, I wanted to become a scientist to make a difference in the world. Part of that came from a natural interest in just physiology, human physiology, and the relationship between the brain and the body.
One challenge I wasn't expecting coming into this is living abroad and being further away from your family than you might have imagined. Because funding is quite scarce, you kind of have to go where the opportunities are.
Personally, I found carving out a career very difficult, and it wasn't until I started working and talking to more people that I was exposed to all of the different places that science could take you.
Well, the quality of our research and the very existence of female scientists should be enough to dispel any bias against women in the field. The persistence of these biases should be called out whenever we see them, but the burden of proof is not on women.